Hello YouTube, we are here with Aarolynn and Avery, the SunnyDay sisters, and tonight we're going on a nature walk.
To find arts and craft stuff.
Arts and craft stuff.
And we're going to put them in this bag and we're going to make it arts and crafts.
With what kind of stuff are we going to find?
A lot of like sand and glue and stuff.
We're going to find glue out in the desert?
I think so.
Ooh, let's go see. Let's go.
Yeah, we're going to leave you guys on so you can see what we're doing.
Right on.
Where are you going?
What'd you say, A?
On a nice direction. Go.
You're so excited?
Let's go that way. Actually, I think that way's better.
Oh, maybe we should go that way so that we can go up that hill where we can find more kinds of sticks and leaves and stuff to make our pictures.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm so excited. They might have pulled.
It's okay. Bubba was in trouble because he ate Sissy's sandwich, huh?
That was actually good thing me and Abe hugged and kissed him.
Good thing.
On a walk, remember we had to run across the street and go to that house to tell him that there was a dog out?
Yeah, I remember that.
I think it was that house, actually.
Yeah, it was.
Whoa!
Gotta be careful.
I almost fell right on the ground and hurt me. I think we passed that.
Nope, we didn't pass it yet. Do you guys see any stuff that you could use on a paper that you can make a nature arts and crafts with?
We see a little bit of sand.
You see a little bit of sand? Whatever you see that you want to grab that you could glue to paper and make something.
It's too dried out.
Like, look at even stuff like this you could use.
No.
Do you want to use that? Whatever you want. I'll put this in my bag.
Yeah.
Ooh, that'd be good.
The sand's too dried out.
Okay, you know that you can still put sand on paper with glue, right? Whatever you want to find, though. You use whatever you want.
Wait, I think there's some more not dried out sand right here. I dig. Oh,
What can we do to sand to make it not dried out?
Water it. We can put water on it, but I don't think so. I just won't use this sand.
Okay.
If we find different, like watery sand, if we find different sand that's already watered up, we'll do that sand.
That's good.
If not, we'll find some dried out sand and do that sand. I found some.
Oh, I know what you mean now. You couldn't even pick up that sand, huh?
Yeah,
There's sand that you can pick up. Whatever kind of stuff you want to put in your bag.
Okay, I got my sand.
You need some help, sis?
We might put some more sand in there, in our bag.
There you go.
We might put some more sand in our bags when we find some more.
Okay.
We have a bunch of sand in our bags. Look.
What did you get so far? You got sand in there? What'd you get? Some sand? All right. Mommy's grabbing a lot of this type of stuff so that I could look. This could be hair. You can make this as hair in a picture, or you can make trees. I would really like to find some leaves.
Look, there's
What do
some
you have?
sand. Look, guys.
Oh, nice.
Sand.
All right. Let's go see what else. Come on.
Hold on, I gotta put my backpack on there.
Okay.
Way to the mountain.
Huh?
Here's the pathway to the mountain.
The pathway to the mountain?
Yeah.
The little hill that we like to walk on? Do you guys see any stuff that we could use?
No.
Okay, Mommy would like to use some of this stuff. This could be good stuff for some nature arts and crafts. Ooh, look. What do we see? Ants. Let's get out of their home. Come on, let's keep walking.
Let's go over here with Look, guys.
Ooh, sticks. That's a good idea.
Stickies. Put them in your bag. I think we can go through that tunnel over there.
Through the tunnel over there?
Yeah.
All right. That's a good idea.
Hold on, I gotta get more sticks.
That's a great idea.
I gotta get more sticks, guys.
Oh, look, there's a little leaf right here. You can use a little leaf. Don't squeeze it too hard because it'll break. Would you like me to hold your bag for you?
Yeah, but
I'll hold your bag for you and you can put the stuff you find in it, okay?
there, I
Good job.
Let's go in that tunnel over there. I found something that I would like to stick on paper.
Ooh.
Let's go. Now let's go on the tunnel.
Okay, go ahead.
Tunnel. Now we're going in that tunnel.
Yeah. You guys going that way?
Come on, Mom.
I'm coming. I'm just picking up sticks along the way. What?
Hey, Mom.
You found a stick? Is that for AIDS?
It might be for mine. Okay.
Abe, when you find stuff, I have your bag, okay? Ooh.
That broke.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Look, these little leaves and sticks.
Let's go in that tunnel.
Look at these things right here. Look at all this. This kind of stuff.
Mom,
Yeah, babe.
now I want to go in that tunnel.
You do?
Yeah, let's go.
You mean on this pathway right here?
I found a stick for my set.
You found a stick? Good job. There's some dead leaves.
Last time.
It is so much fun. What?
I still say to do this nature walk. I still say to do this nature walk.
I do remember you were so excited. It's so much fun, isn't it? Going on a nature walk to find what we can find.
Going on a nature walk to find a video to do.
Yeah.
Sticks and sticks, sand, a whole bunch of stuff, tree stuff.
All right, let's go.
Let me have the camera. Going on a nature walk.
Here.
Nature walk.
You want to take it?
Nature walk. I want a stick.
Or you want the stick?
I want a stick.
I'll put some in your bag, okay?
I want a stick.
There's a whole bunch of sticks right here.
Put one in my bag, please.
You got it.
I gotta spread my out.
All right.
We got a lot of sticks. Let's stop get other kind of stuff than sticks.
I agree.
Let's go to that mountain over there where we can see our whole back and see our backyard.
Want to see our backyard?
Do that. Going on a nature walk, going backwards.
Have you seen any lizards yet?
Sideways.
No?
Wait.
See a bunch of birdies. And the sun's gonna set soon.
Going on a nature walk. Going on a nature walk. Going on a nature walk. Wait, guys, turn around. Ah!
Whole bunch of ants, huh?
What?
Ooh.
What the? Look at all those lamps.
They're all working, aren't they?
Guys!
Look at, they all have stuff in their mouths.
Look what I found. Look what I found, Mom.
What'd you find?
It's a wire. It's a wire.
It's a wire?
It's wires.
Yeah?
Another one.
Ant holes all over the place, huh? We're in their home though, so let's keep it moving.
Yeah. We're at the mountain. I can see our backyard. Let's leave them alone and let them do their home.
Yeah, let's do that. You can see our backyard. Ooh. Yes.
Let's show. Looks like ours doesn't even have the trailer.
Yep.
Let's keep on going.
What'd you say? Do I think what?
Do you think we should go down there and go to
Do you see a spot that we could walk down this?
It would just like go down.
Ooh, is there there's like a little trail we can try to get down right here. Just got to stay real close to me and hold my hand. Give me your hand.
Avery's hand.
You got Abe's hand?
Yeah, she might fall if I don't hold her hand.
Just watch where you put your feet and we'll walk right down this. See, look down there. See where the little trail is from where somebody drove down?
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, I see a trail too. Very careful.
Yeah, watch where your feet are going.
Hold on, I gotta stop my leg. It's really scratchy down here with this weeds. Don't step on any weeds, okay? Don't step on any.
Step right over them. There you go. Nice.
Hold on.
Whoop.
My bag.
All right, Aarolynn, you go ahead.
Okay.
I got your sister.
Okay. Make sure she doesn't fall.
Okay.
Okay? I'm not falling.
All right, you girls go ahead. Look it, we just made it down, all the way down that mountain. Look it. Nice job, girls.
Did you know that used to be a river all down here?
Used to be a river?
Yeah.
It turns into a river when it rains, doesn't it? What is this place we're in called?
Nature Mountain River.
Nature Mountain River?
Yeah.
This is called, that's a good name for it. It's also called a wash.
A wash.
A wash. This is where all the water goes when it rains.
What's a wash?
This right here is the wash. This is where all of the water falls when it rains and all of the water rushes through here and it can cause a flash flood. So anytime that it rains, get your finger out of there. Anytime that it rains, you got to make sure you never go in a wash when it's raining or when it's going to rain because it can wash you out. Just like the rain washes the spider out, it'll wash you right out of the wash. Huh?
Yep, I think it's gonna rain soon. Let's stay out.
Ooh, look. This is a good little. Ooh, look at all those holes. What else do you watch out for when you're in the desert?
Sticky! Coyotes.
Coyotes and snakes. Always be on your toes and on the lookout. You found a sticky? Nice. Here. You guys are getting all kinds of goodies.
No sticks. No more sticks.
Avery can get all the.
There's a bunch of sand over there. Let's get some sand.
Okay, you can put whatever you want in your bag, but let Avery put what she wants in hers, okay? You want to put sand in yours too? I think rocks will stick fine too, like these little fine rocks like this. This will stick good to paper. Here. I think I found our way up when we're done down here. Look up the hill. There's like a little trail right there, huh?
And there's a little trail right there too.
Yep, and we got to keep an eye. The sun's going down, so we have to head back before the sun goes down. So let's pick put 3 more things in our bag and we'll head back.
Okay. What I found.
What did you find?
Oh, damaged rock.
Damaged rock?
It looks like someone had really, really hard scissors and they like cutted the rock.
It looks like it, huh?
It looks like somebody cut that rock.
It looks like a pile of cement right there.
Or like somebody cut that rock.
Yeah.
It looks like it used to be a real rock, but now it's like a cut it up rock, like a damaged rock.
I see. Look all this right here. Look. See all this?
Well, that all used to be really good sand, and now it's all dried up and bubbly and stuff.
All right. What's the last couple things you're going to put in your bag?
I remember this used to be a hill that we drive on, and we used to go right past this.
Really?
Yeah, I remember we used to do that. Oh, I found some good sand to do this. Okay, we got our sand. We got one thing. Now it's time to go on this little path. I found a path. I have more. I found a path, Mom. Weeds.
What is it up here? What is all this stuff?
I found
It looks like an old piece of a light. We should come out here with...
there.
Okay, keep moving. Keep moving.
Piece of a light.
Yeah, there's a bunch of trash. Which you know what we should do? We should come out here with trash bags and clean up some litter, huh?
Yeah. What is it?
Yeah, it looks like people use this as a shooting point. It looks like they shot a bunch of this stuff. And didn't clean it up is what it looks like. All right. It's time to head back. Sun's getting lower.
We didn't get our last
You
two.
gotta pick it. It's getting late. We gotta hurry up and pick your last item.
Last items. Because there's two more to go.
Well, get to it, Mama.
Let's just go down there.
Go ahead.
There's
Go
so
pick your last two things.
much- Okay.
What'd you find?
Rocks.
Rocks?
Let me put them in my box.
Okay, you got it. There you go, sis. Nice job.
I'm all done now because that's my last two things. This is rocks.
Last two things were rocks?
There's a bunch of glass down here. Look
Yeah,
at
let's
that.
make sure we don't pick that up, okay?
Okay. I'm done.
You're done?
I'll just get sand from right there and sand from right here, and then I'll be done.
Okay. You're grabbing some native soil.
Oh, yeah,
Ooh.
Oh,
Is that an ant hole?
yeah.
Some
Okay.
kind of hole, huh?
We got our last one. Let's go head back.
You can put it in there. All right, let's head back. Let's...
Get our trash bags and get a whole bunch of this trash cleaned up.
Yeah, we got to do that too. That'd be nice to do. It's always good to pick up litter, huh?
Whoa. Look at all that. There's a lot of dirty stuff back here.
What?
There's a lot of trash. I saw big. There's a lot of sticky. There's a lot of trash back here. So there's a lot of trash back here. So we're gonna have look at Daddy. Mom.
There's a lot of trash out here, so we're going to have to what?
So we're gonna have
I see it, Ave.
bring a lot of trash bags.
You're right.
Bye-bye, Candy Dane. Where's our...
Bye-bye, airplane.
There's the trail.
Ave, come on. We found our trail. Yep, our bags are full. Come on, we got to go up the hill now.
Ow.
You okay?
Some,
Did you get poked?
yeah. Baby, all these pokey things.
All right, be careful walking up the hill. We live in the desert, so there might be cactus. See all those pokey things right there?
Yeah.
Walk around them. Don't walk through them, okay? Go this way. Follow your sister. And if you start to fall, use your hands so that you don't fall on the ground, okay?
I almost slipped back down there.
Yeah.
I got a couple rocks in my bag.
On a couple rocks. All right, we're almost to the top. About halfway there.
Yep, about.
I will hold these. We need to focus on getting up the hill, okay? That's enough stuff now. Let's get up the hill.
What? Okay.
Ooh, come on.
I got this. Whoa. I got this.
Avie, give me your hand.
The rest of the way I can lift it.
Look at you go.
I think I can look left. I made it!
Nice job.
I think I can make it. Let's go back. I made it.
You guys are rock stars.
Let's go back around the hill so we can get home and get our trash bags and make our crafts and stuff.
Okay. On our way back. We finished our nature walk. Here we go.